So you've been seeing this collectible doll figure trend on social media. You've even seen people turn it into videos on social media, and you're wondering, how can you do your own as well? Make your own doll collectible figure and also make your own into a video. Worry no more, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it for absolutely free of charge, all with just your smartphone device. Are you ready? Let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, you need to understand that you're going to be creating the image with ChatGPT. Then you're going to be using another AI tool to create the video. But let us first of all create the image on ChatGPT. I'm going to drop the prompts I will use to create this image in the description of this video. So you can go to the description of this video, copy the prompts and use it to create your own image as well. So let us open ChatGPT right now. So you open ChatGPT. I believe you've already downloaded ChatGPT on your phone, and then you come to ChatGPT and put your prompts there. So this is the prompt I'm using, and I am going to leave the prompts in the description of this video so you can go and copy it and use it as well. Include your picture in the prompt so that the image that will be generated for you will look at least like you. Do you understand? So I'm going to include my image in the prompt right now before I send it to ChatGPT. So let me pick an image. So this is the particular image I used to generate my own collectible doll, and then I added the prompts. Like I said, I'm going to drop the prompt in the description of this video so you can use it to create your own as well. So now this is my own collectible image that ChatGPT has generated. Now if you want the image to look more like you, I think you should use a clearer picture. The picture I used is not actually very clear, but it's still not bad. So we're going to go and animate this particular image right now with another AI tool. Now, to animate the image that has been generated for you by ChatGPT, what you're going to use is Kling AI, or another AI called Pixverse. I hope I called you correctly. I'm going to put the name on the screen. Now, for Kling AI, it's going to give you a better, smoother video, but it is not free, it is paid. But for Pixverse, you can actually generate it for free. So if you know that you want to generate it for absolutely free, go and download Pixverse. So for this tutorial, because we are doing it for free, I'm going to be using Pixverse for you guys. Download the Pixverse on Google Play Store or on App Store, open it, and then we're going to see the magic happen. When you open Pixverse, all you have to do, click on this middle button here. You're going to see image to video. Just click on image to video. When you click on image to video, select the image that you want to use, to generate your video. In this case, the particular image we generated on ChatGPT. Once you put the image there, it will ask you to enter the prompt for the video. You enter your prompt here. Now the prompt I'm going to be using for this as well, I'm going to leave the prompt in the description of this video so you can go and copy the prompt and use it to do your own. So once you enter your prompt, type it there or copy and paste your prompts there, the next thing you're going to do is click on create. The moment you click on create, your video will generate for you. Now it might take a little while, maybe a few minutes, sometimes even up to an hour. Just be patient for it. Your video is going to generate for you. So after I have created my image, this is what I got. As you can see, this is my animated image. Can you see that? Now I created a couple of others, and this is another one as well that I created. Okay, I created the image with ChatGPT, and then I brought the image to this app, and then it animated it for me. Now this is another one as well that I created. As you can see, I did the image on ChatGPT, I brought it to this particular app, and it animated it for me. So this is how you can actually do your own as well. Are you going to be giving this a try? Let me know in the comment section. And as well, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. Even if there's any other thing you would love to learn and you want me to teach you, let me know in the comment section. I promise to do my best to make the tutorial happen for you so that you can learn as well. Now until next time when I come your way again, keep being amazing, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that it gets shown to more people like you looking for tutorials like this so that they can watch and learn. And also don't forget to share this video with your friends, that your friend that has been disturbing you. I wish I can actually do this thing for myself. I wish I can actually do this thing for my brand. Now that you've discovered how to do it for absolutely free of charge with just your smartphone, don't forget to share it with that your friend. There is love and blessing in sharing. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Tap on that subscribe icon, tap on the bell icon right beside it, turn on post notifications for all of my videos so that when I drop new videos, you are going to be the first to know. And until next time when I come your way again, keep being amazing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.